Last time on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we had Chad's F450 dually with the compound turbos going to battle with the Mustang Dyno, making big horsepower, making big torque. Missed that video? Check it out here. Now, if you're a Ford PowerStroke owner, you're gonna love today's video. And why? Because we have a brand new 22 Ford F350. No, it's not a dually, single rear wheel truck. It's a King Ranch and it's a trimmer. Why is it here? Of course, we want to maximize its potential with the factory turbocharger still intact on it. It's got 35-inch tall tires, some BMF wheels. We know what that stands for, right? It means it's got to make some big power. It came in. We did our F1 HP package. What does that mean for you guys? Well, we want to turn the truck up. We want to use that factory turbocharger. We want to push it not to its bleeding edge, but if a customer wants to have fun with it and do all the preventative maintenance so he can go tow his trailer, tow his boat, because summer's coming, that's the reason why it's here. Now, along the way, we did upgrade the cold side intercooler pipe with a pusher intakes. It's gloss black, powder coated, looks badass. Now, I'll show you something that adds a smooth 30 horsepower to this build, guys. Check out our billet battery brackets. We got there on both sides. That way we don't rub through the battery. We got an O-ring underneath it. Now, down to business. This truck's got 355 gears in it. Okay, got the 10-speed transmission. We're gonna pull this thing in 7th gear. We're gonna start at 2,200 RPMs, and then we're gonna spin it right up to 3,000 RPMs. We're gonna compare this truck to whose? Well, Macy's. If you missed her video, check it out here. The 21 Ford F250, making over 500 rear wheel horsepower. Hell yeah. So this thing, how do you get a 22 done? Well, you do gotta swap out the ECM. All that's done, we're gonna push it up on the race file, and we're gonna take this thing through its paces. Guys, how much power can it make? We're about to find out. It's dyno time. My mind is telling me no, but my body. Yeah, give me just a second. 1927. Okay. Go team. So we just finished up with our final dyno run on the 22 F350 powered by our F1 HP package. I know what you're thinking. This truck better lay down more than 550 rear wheel horsepower, because that's what Macy's 21 PowerStroke did on the Mustang Dyno. Okay, now how do we run the truck? Identical to hers. We started this run at 1,950. You gotta start them low, because if not, they will not make power, and you gotta spin them hard and long. We ran this truck all the way over to 2,750 RPMs. Now my graph kind of looks like shit. The OBD cable that I have hooked up to the truck started going off and on. We recorded, but it wasn't a smooth graph. But you can see 1,950, 2,100, boom, the power jumps up, runs over. What was our ultimate, our peak horsepower, our peak torque? Now let's look at that. We ended up laying down 498 rear wheel horsepower and 1,069 feet-pound of torque. This truck ain't no joke. This truck did that on 28 PSI. I'd have to look back at Macy's videos. I'm pretty sure hers truck around that 27, 28, keep in mind it's about 30, 40 degrees outside, laid down that same exact power. So long story short is this. We had more time with the truck because the holiday weekend's coming up. Could we be comparable to Macy's 21 PowerStroke? I believe so, but the customer wanted the truck. We laid down very respectable numbers out of the 22 PowerStroke. We're calling it a day on today's dyno. So the 22 Ford PowerStroke is the big brother amongst the 20 and 21 PowerStrokes. They all feature the same turbocharger, transmission, and fuel system. So for today's video, we weren't expecting any kind of big horsepower, but we can dream, right? Absolutely. On Macy's truck, we ran that truck in the winter. She had stock wheels and tires, so she kind of had an advantage. But today's video, we ran it with 35-inch tall tires. That's what it came in on. It's a realistic build. And the F1 HP package. Why do we pair up Todd with this build? Because of this. Factory turbocharger, we still have the exhaust brake because we know this client will tow with the truck. He needs better mileage. We'll accomplish that. Also, the drivability. If his sons need to hop in the truck, they need to drive it, well now they kind of got a sports car in a truck version, but hey, it's a win-win. So the F1 HP package utilizes a factory turbocharger, just pushes it to its potential, but not blistering edge. Speaking of that, F2 HP package. This is where you guys want to like, subscribe to the YouTube channel because we want to push the trucks a little bit further and see what they can do if we open up all the piping kit on the truck and allow it to breathe. Like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time here at Point Blank Performance.